do. Elimination stuff. That sucked.
I'm taking that as a compliment. Anyways, let's get through this fast. Everyone is safe except for Honeycomb and Coffee Bean. And Honeycomb is eliminated. Why? I don't know. I will now teleport you to a random house. Ah! Okay, so I'll just tell you what they want and you make it.
Okay, so why is Albert logo a orange?
No.
It's gonna take a while because we're in the middle of nowhere.
10 hours later.
Meat.
Okay. Okay, thanks. We will yeet it to your window.
Okay.
Chicken or something.
Okay, I'll go to Walmart.
No, it's okay. Okay, use this. Ah! Well, since Blocky and Ball did nothing, I guess they're up for elimination.
I have no arms, remember?